Who's that?
Me. I'm telling them that my client is at the back of the car. You can't really see her well because the setting of this camera is not focused. More his driving skills.
Just moving on.
Okay, then move now. Fucking move out of my way. I'm dropping my up at work. I need to say good morning to you guys. Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. I want to move forward a little.
No, it's okay. Stop here.
Sorry, ma.
Put your distance. Okay.
Bye. And we move. Guys, there's a turning I'm supposed to take. I think it's in front. Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. So yeah, what are we doing today? I've gone through the... Okay, this is one I'm going to take out. Today we are going to Eko Atlantic once again, and I'm also doing my birthday turn up vlog stuff today anyway. Guys, the last time I came here, I didn't show you guys the restaurant, so I'm going to show you guys the restaurant now. The restaurant is called Eko. Yeah, so I'll show you this beautiful place here. Here is black picture with everything friendly, so you guys should definitely come and check the place out. Let me show you this around. Let's go. She arrives. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. I came to play some lift too. And yeah, the sun is too much, so I have to cover my eyes. For the gram. Come on. Is it easy? No. So So guys, we came to the poolside. I'm so tempted to come and swim, you guys. This pool is calling me. Like for the past 3 to 6 months, I guess, I haven't entered water. And then again, no, yeah, every time we planning, and we end up come to swim. So look at this water. See, I can off good now, just jump inside there. But then you have to secure the beach. I can't redo my makeup again today because I can't be out to actually do that. God. I didn't come to the restaurant to eat. When I saw price, my account was already crying, telling me, you don't do this to your life. So I'm not even going to play myself. And it's just to get yam or sides. Obviously yam, jollof rice, small beef, small chicken, 1K, 1K5, another life. Not doing that. Yeah, we can take pictures because this scenario is really nice. And you guys, we're going to come and stay here for 2 nights. Rightly, 2 nights is 140K for 2 nights for 2 bedrooms. The minimum they have is 2 bedrooms. The maximum they have is 3 bedrooms. I can't remember the price of 3 bedroom. I think it's around that 200, 300 price. Yeah, and then the minimum you can spend there days, 2 days. You can't spend 1 day here. There's no 1 bedroom as well. But here's beautiful. Them is down there. Do you know? Look at stuff. Take some pictures here. Then we're done.
So, CHUCHE'S is trying to.
No. So why are you now vlogging me, vlogging you? Why are we vlogging each other, Come on. Told the guy that he wants to view. You can come and view this place. So we said we want to view this place, you know, saying that we have a friend that wants to come and stay over. Yeah, so the guy said he'll come and meet us soon, and we will have a tour of Eko Atlantic.
Shaguri, yeah. Apparently,
so this is it.
But I mean, it's beautiful, so.
Story time. She has told you some of the story. I don't have time for that. But don't worry, guys. I'll link her details down below, so you guys can go to her channel to watch her own version of this video and get more info, not from me. But yeah, it's true. And you can have, like what she said, this place is open to people. Don't think it's like a private kind of area. So you call numbers or you call me and make inquiries, because I came here to make inquiries. She called, we're going to use her person. So yeah, see you guys later. Watch her vlog, she'll give you details. I'm not the type of person that like give details. She has done her research, I haven't done mine. So I can't just come here and start fapping around and calling figures and stuff like that. So she's your go-to-go. Thank me later for you guys that want to get into this. You guys, like I said, we just told them we're coming to view for a friend, more like she did. Yeah. So let's see how this is going to go. to film myself, guys. I don't know why I'm filming myself today. I'm on top of the world. So this is a penthouse, not furnished yet. This is what it looks like when you don't buy it, when you don't get the apartments that have furniture. Scared of heights, but let's just see. You guys, this is real. That's downstairs. This is all real. Room 2. Let's see. Oh, you guys. And then the view. I'm not in Nigeria. I'm somewhere else, literally. I'm not in Nigeria. I'm not in Nigeria. This is amazing. You can see what I'm saying. I found heaven in Nigeria, you guys. No. Look at this amazing view. I'm not leaving. I've seen it. Guys, look at this. I swear all my problems in life are gone. Just looking at this view. All my I swear I should come and live here. Wow. I came to the penthouse of Eko Atlantic. I'm not in Nigeria right now. My head is just turning on its own. What is this? So let me do like a review. You guys, this place is amazing. The penthouse is the bomb. Like, see that nice DC. I'm just wowed. Em is not serious. She's busy vlogging me as I'm vlogging. Like, if I have money, I'm going to get a place here. Forget the whole when the water starts rising. By that time, I'm out. But look at the penthouse. The only thing that's motivating me now is that penthouse. I love that penthouse. The view is amazing. Everything. But wow. If only they could rent the penthouse out for like some nights or something. Well, that's going to be so expensive. God, please. Let me make it in life. I need to make it in this life so that I can't go to that place. I can't go to that place. But yeah, this is the end of the vlog. I'm going to chop off this vlog because I don't know how to put everything together. So let me just chop it off. Eko Atlantic. And then don't forget, I'm going to put M's detail at the bottom of this vlog so you can go and watch her own version of Eko Atlantic. You know? Oh boy. You guys, wow, I'm shook. This place is amazing. I don't know, I just keep talking. I don't know what's wrong with me. After seeing that penthouse, see me, I'm smiling as if I have the penthouse. Let me compose myself. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also give me ideas of what you want to see on my channel. Mostly lifestyle things, because I'm not a makeup person. See this old makeup I just did. I can do challenges as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Don't miss me too much. Bye. As you can see, I'm even changing to my second outfit because, you know, blogger life. I won't be going out after like a while, so I'm just gonna take all my pictures. Then when I'm ready, edit and post for you guys to see and enjoy. So yeah, bye.